Hi, I'm Ray. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy greenhouse heater for off-grid heating. So let me show you. So the items we need are some bricks. We've got 2 pots, terracotta pots. One is smaller than the other one. We want a base, so we can use a metal baking tray or some slates or patio slab. We need some candle tea lights. We need a lighter to light the tea lights, and we also need a coin, copper coin, and the obligatory cup of tea. So let me show you what we're going to do with all our items. So we need a base, and we need something that's quite sturdy, so we can use the concrete slab or some tiles, but I'm going to use a baking tray. We're going to take our stones, our bricks, we're going to place them in a U shape on the tray. We've managed to get half a stone. Then we got our candles. These candles are the 5-hour candles. You can also get 10-hour candles. These are tea lights, and these are slightly thicker than the other ones, and they only cost just a few pounds from the grocery stores. We're going to place all 4 candles in between the bricks, leaving a gap. Then we can light our candles. Like so. We're going to leave a little space in between each tea light. Then we take our small terracotta pot, and we're going to put these leaning against the 2 bricks. And the reason we've done this is now we can leave enough space for another terracotta pot to go on the top. Then with our coin, we're just going to place the coin over the top. Or can also use another piece of terracotta pot, broken crock or something similar, just to fill over the top of the hole. Heat is now going up into the pot, and we're going to let this heat. Bit of a windy day, we're doing it outside, and then we can take our second pot, just let this one heat up a bit. You can feel it heating up already. So just a few minutes, the pot is already quite hot to touch. So after 10 minutes, this is quite hot now. and it's quite hot to touch. So now we can put the larger pot with a hole, and we can put this one over the top of this one, leaning on the same bricks. Now the heat, we're not going to cover up this hole, we're going to leave this one open so the heat can come out and the hot air can circulate inside the pots, and then it can warm up both the pots. So doing this method, it gives heat and stores and releases more slowly than the candle's heat alone. So it's like a storage heater. You heat up the bricks and then it stores the energy and then releases slowly during the day, more than the candle's heat alone. So leaving the hole on the top is for two reasons. The first reason, the top pot will not get so hot, and the second reason, the hot air will spread around further away from the pots. So if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. So do you heat your greenhouse, and how do you do yours? Let me know in the comments. I'll reply to all your messages. So we'll see how this works. It's a bit nippy in the air, so we'll have our cup of tea and get indoors. Thank you very much. Cheers.